Welcome to today's lesson on the present simple tense. In English, we use the simple present tense to talk about things that happen regularly or facts that are generally true. Let's dive into how we form positive sentences in the simple present tense. For most verbs, the simple present is formed by using the base form of the verb. Infinitive without any changes. For example, I play tennis. We eat lunch at noon. They study English. For third-person singular subjects, he, she, it, or singular nouns, an S is usually added to the base form of the verb. For example, he plays the guitar. She walks to work. The dog barks loudly. He enjoys swimming. The cat sleeps a lot. For verbs ending in S, double S, SH, CH, X, or O, we add ES to the base form. For example, he washes the car. She fixes the computer. It goes to the park. If the verb ends in a consonant plus Y, change the Y to I first and then add ES. For example, cry will be changed to cries. He cries when he watches sad movies. She tries her best to succeed in school. It flies high in the sky. If the verb ends in a vowel plus Y, just add S. For example, in the verb play, because before the letter Y, we have a vowel, which is A. So when we want to use it for third-person singulars, he, she, it, and singular nouns, we just have to add S. So in play, we just have to add S. It'll be changed to plays. So don't change Y to I here and add ES like consonant plus Y. Okay? For example, he plays soccer every weekend, or she enjoys listening to music. It stays warm under the blanket. The verb have changes to has for third-person singular when talking about just one person or thing in the simple present tense. This happens when the subject is in the third-person singular, as I said, like he, she, or it. For example, I have a book, you have a pencil, but he has a cat, she has a dog, it has a tail. That's all for learning about the present simple tense. Remember, we use it to talk about things we do regularly or facts that are always true, like saying I play tennis or she walks to work, okay? Practice saying these sentences in your everyday conversations to get better at English, and keep learning, and we'll have more lessons for you soon. Goodbye for now.